Oh no. I don't think it filmed. Shoot. Well, I started the camera wrong again. Hi.
Hello.
I didn't start the beginning, Vic. I didn't start the camera right. So we didn't film anything in the beginning. I thought I did. Oh well. So this is the, what is it, Keuka outlet trail? Up here between Dresden and Penn Yan. It's supposed to be a real nice trail with a couple waterfalls on it. Alright, well, I should have checked and see if I had the camera on. Every time I start off, I don't start off right. It's the second time in a row I didn't start the camera at the beginning of the trail. Oh well, that's the problem. You got this remote. I don't know how to use this remote properly. Okay. Nice trail. A little bumpy. It's not exactly smooth. Let's see what's up here. We brought some bear spray. Oh, here's a thing here. A mark. Some kind of a map. Oh, there's some mud. Drive around in mud. Let's go around it. There we go. There's a dried up creek to the left. I guess when it rains it gets water. Ain't got water now. Alright. We'll see what we got. So this was a trail that was, I think at one time, a trolley between the lakes, between Keuka Lake and, what is it, Seneca. That's what this trail is. It used to be a trolley. Way back when. So they turned it to a bike path now. See, this has been here for a while, this trolley path. You can see where the trees are, how they grew. You see, the trolley came through and they had to grow a certain way to put the top, yeah, the tracks. Huh. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, we're about 2 miles in, no, about 1.5 miles in. It runs along this creek here to my left. This trail. Real nice out. It's 75 degrees about, no humidity, no bugs. The trail itself is very shaded. It's not exactly the flattest of trails. Needs a little grading. There's some potholes here and there in some areas where it's real muddy, but all in all it's okay. Well, these bikes here just about make it on this trail. It ain't tougher. I don't think these bikes would do it. These are not exactly mountain bikes. These are the light ones, but it's working. Really nice. We'll have to find out where the waterfalls are. They're up here somewhere. There's at least 2 waterfalls. Oh man, look how high that goes. We're down like in a ravine with this creek that's alongside of us. That goes up pretty high. Alright, we'll catch you later. Oh, look at this. Hey, look at that, Vic. We got some rapids. See that? Oh yeah, look at that. We're up to stop here. Oh, there might be a waterfall here. We'll see. Oh yeah, look at that. Hey, that's cool. Wow. Look at that. Woo! There's the waterfall. Oh, we could go up there at the top. Vicky's going, well, I'll go up at the top with her. Okay. Let's see what we got. Cool. Oh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Check this out. Man. This is check this out. Some kind of a park here. This is at 1.9 miles from Dresden. First waterfall. Oh, they got seats here. Park benches. Look at that. There's the waterfall. Cool. Check that out. Wow. Huh. Looks like they built something here.
Wow. But I don't know how they get the boats.
Oh, there are locks here. Oh, way back when. Oh. Let's go walk down there. There's grasshoppers here. Let me see. They must have navigated this thing. I don't know how they did it. They must have blocked the water and let it go up, let it go down. I don't know. Very cool. Let's see if we get... Wow, what's this thing? Something that's been here. Here's the waterfall right there. Look at that. That's nice. Very cool. That's waterfall number 1. 1.9 miles. Yeah, this was something before. It looked like they had locks here, they said. So they raise and lower the water for the boat. They fill it up somehow. Huh. Alright. Pretty cool, huh? Very cool. There's more bikers. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Alright. We'll catch you later. Okay, we're back on the path. We're heading toward Penn Yan from Dresden, New York, on this bike path. Pretty neat. Now this is a little bit better here. Now see, there's little spots that are muddy. You gotta find a dry spot to drive on. But here it's a little better, flatter, not as bumpy. They should donate some money and fix the ruts that they have in that other part. Now this path is a walking path, biking path, and you can also ride your horses on it. So we might see someone with a horse, I don't know. See. Hi. Hello. How you doing? Good. Very cool. Alright, I'll show you some more later. Okay, we're coming up to a parking area here. Picnic area, parking area. Here. Hi guys. Keuka Outlet Trail. See, that connects that, I think that waterway connects the two lakes. Keuka Lake and Seneca Lake. Now it looks like we're going to cross a road here. What road this is, I can't tell you. But it's a road. Let's see what we got to do before we get run over. No, there's no cars. So where's the path? Oh, here it is. Right here we got to go. Oh, there's more water here. Huh. Looks like it's flowing from Keuka Lake all the way to Seneca Lake. See? It's going from west to east. This creek, this outlet that they built. Or, I don't know if they built it or if it was here. I don't know. Alright. We'll catch you in a little while. Okay, we're at another parking area along the path. So I don't know what's here. Hi. Hello. What's this say here? Let me see. Keuka Outlet Trail, Dresden is 2.6 miles. Penn Yan is 3.1. The Cascade Falls, oh, that's the one I think we just seen. There's 1 mile that way. Seneca Falls is 0.25 this way. Oh, we're gonna see another waterfall. Oh, that's cool. All right, let's see. This is nice. The Keuka Outlet Trail. There's another fall here. A waterfall. Let's go see. Oh, see, now I fixed this up here. This is nicer here. I guess because it's a walking path to the fall. Let me move it up here. Gotta catch up to Vicky. Get some juice here. Now we're moving. Where is the falls? It's up here somewhere. You see the waterfall anywhere? It's supposed to be a waterfall up here, 1/4 mile. Oh, it might be out up here. Let's see where these people are at. I think it's right over here to the left. This is called Seneca Falls. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I could see it. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Very cool. Seneca Falls. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Let's check that out. Let's check it out. Woo! Another waterfall. Wow. That is cool. Let me park the bike. This is at 3.2 miles from our parking area. 3.2 miles. Let's see. This is called Seneca Falls. Let's check it out. Caution, water level may rise rapidly. No swimming, no climbing. No swimming, no climbing. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That is really cool. Look at that. Wow. That's some good flow there. Oh, there's a spot up there you can look down from. See that? You can look down. You go up there and you can look down. But this is a better view. Seneca Falls. Huh. Who knew? Something new. There's some uprooted trees there. When they had the flood, there's a, looks like a Trump flag down there. Cool. Very nice. Man, what a beautiful day. 75 degrees, sunny, no humidity, no bugs. And there's nobody on the path here much. That is really cool. Alright, let's get back on the bike. Looks like they built this up.
Yeah.
There was something here.
Maybe there was like a mill. They had different mills.
Oh yeah, I bet it was a mill. Yep. I think a lumber mill. Very nice. All right, we'll keep going. We'll see what we see. Oh, it is a nice bike ride so far. Let's see what we see. Very cool. There's the waterfall right on the bike path. Right here. Oh, I gotta climb the hill now. I gotta climb the waterfall. Look at that. There we go. Oh, they got a picnic pavilion here. Huh. That's nice. You've got a picnic here. And they got chairs everywhere. Wow. Very cool. Hi, how you doing?
How are you?
Okay. Very nice. This is a nice trail. Boy, I bet you in the fall, when the colors are out, this is going to be really nice to either bike or hike. Yep, I think so. Okay, we're getting near the end of the road here. They got nice chairs they put out, man. The Penn Yan Rotary. Hi.
Hi.
They put these benches out all along the trail. I think we're in Penn Yan now. Let's see, I got 5.9 miles. So we're pretty close to the end. I think it's less than 7 miles. We're back here by this it looks like milk place, cheese place, or a milk place. Either they got milk here or they got cheese. Let's see, here's a bridge we got to go over. Oh, there's downtown Penn Yan. Burkett Mills. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at this. We got a little tunnel we got to go on a bridge. Oh, this is some old building here. I have no idea what it is. Oh, yeah. Huh, we're in Penn Yan. We're on the bridge here now. Pretty cool. They got like a... Oh, they got it blocked there. The river. See, the river is blocked there, Vic. Oh, look, they got boats. I guess you could take the boats all the way to the lake.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what that is. Huh. This is a park here. I guess it ends at this park. See that? Here's a sign for the trail. I think we're at the very beginning of it here in Penn Yan. That looks like part of the bike trail there, Vic. That bridge. Here, this is a park here. I think it's gonna end. This might be the end.
McDonald's breakfast, people?
Oh no, keep going, keep going. What's that there? That's pretty nice. A hotel? Let's see here. Elm Street Court Sport Complex, a half a mile. Huh. This is nice. I'm going right through Penn Yan. Woo! Oh gosh, they got this nice here. They fixed up here in town. Look at that. I think that's where we gotta go, yeah. Keep going. I don't know. You know what I know. Here we go. We're going across. Look at that, it is cool. Woo. We're on the other side. Oh, that was a bump. Yeah, it goes right over here. Huh. That's nice. Very cool. Penn Yan. Now we gotta climb. Woo. Someone's walking her dog. Okay, what it says here, out the trail, boat launch is this way. Oh, you can launch a boat over here. They got a boat launch. Looks like they're putting in a new parking lot. Look at that. Wow, that's nice. We got a cross here. This is the bike path here, I guess. I don't know. Hey, where you going? Boat launch, Keuka Street. I'm gonna lose Vicky here. There's some bikes here. They got restrooms. Yep. They got pavilions. Oh, she made a shortcut. So the boat launch is right there to the left. So you can go in, you can launch a boat and go to Keuka Lake from here. That's cool. Alright. Well, we're getting back in the woods here. I'll show you a little bit more later. Okay, we just reached the end. I got 6.7 miles on my odometer of the bike. It says it's 7 miles. But it ends here at this baseball park here in Penn Yan. See, they put these nice benches out. Penn Yan Rotary puts them out all along this trail. Now over here it's paved inside here in Penn Yan. So once you get past the boat launch, you're at the end, basically. So you're going to go back toward the boat launch now. So now we're heading east. We reached the final destiny in Penn Yan, destination point, end of the trail. So we got to go over this bridge here. Let me duck underneath this tree. See, they got a bridge here over this. Looks like a riverbed that's kind of dried up right now. Man, they could make this a little bit better. Maybe we made it just for walking, I don't know. Riding over that, not no fun. So here's the boat launch here. And so if you go on the boat and you go that way, you go to Keuka Lake. Oh, look at that nice boat. Wow. That's a nice one. They're partying here, picnicking, riding their bikes. What a beautiful day. What was it, 75 degrees?
Yeah.
Man, can't beat this. This was perfect. So we gotta cross the road here to get back on the bike path on the other side. See, they're putting a boat in over there. They got nice boat launches. Oop, I missed a turn. Let me get moving. Give it some juice. Going uphill. Now that's some kind of road. Is that 54 or something like that? There must be more bike paths around here. They're biking everywhere. See, this is the canal, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, bumpy. They got big electric bikes. See those things? Those are big. So that's a bridge with a road on it, but I don't know what road that is. It says here, no winter maintenance, slippery when wet. Oh man, what a bump. See, this is like a canal, but it ends up here a little ways. And they got it blocked off like a dam or something. Whew. Here, we're back on the path. See, you can park your boat here and go to that restaurant. See that? There's a restaurant over there, Vic. They got canoes. I smell food. You want to find some ice cream? I smell food. I smell hamburgers. Now I'm getting hungry. You want to go over there and check it out before we head back? See, they got lights here too for nighttime. Huh. She wants to go and check it out. I don't know if this is allowed. Oh, this is a nicer one. See? Oh, this is an old building here. Look at this old building here. It's an old stone building. I wonder what that was. They rent kayaks here. Here's a wine and spirits place. Open, what does it say? All day something. Huh. Artesian bakery. Pretzels. I got a wine bar, Vic. And a bakery. Huh. Let's see what they got here in Penn Yan. They got a circus. We are open. Come on in. Water Street Wine and Spirits. Burkett Landing. Well, these are apartments. That's it. I don't know much about this town. A lot of Amish up here. Oh, look at this old building in the corner here with the steeple. Cupola. What do you call it? That must have been an old bank or something. Huh. Huh. The pet salon. This is the annual, what do they got here though? Annual Buckwheat Harvest Festival, Penn Yan.
September 27th.
They have a world record pancake here, 1987, 28-foot pancake. 1987 they had here. The original griddle, oh, that's the griddle. They make the, oh, I see, that's the griddle, Vic. They got the paint on. They made a 28-foot, 1-inch pancake on that thing. Huh. This must be downtown. Whew. Oh, here's a restaurant, Keuka restaurant. There's the doggy. Come on in. Wow, this is cool. Downtown Penn Yan. Huh. They got a pizzeria. Motorcycles. Huh. Very cool. This is it. Penn Yan. Alright, here's some more of the downtown. Vicky wanted to go down here a little ways. They got the Keuka candy emporium. Looks like it's closed though. It's a candy store. Huh. The Wine Trail Properties. Real estate agency. Stork Insurance. A massage place and a salon. There's a brewery over here to the left. Let's go see. They got a brewery. Want to get a beer? Oh, there's broken glass. There's a bunch of Jeeps. 1, 2, 3 Jeeps. Here's a beer bar right here. Beer garden, Vic. Want to check that out?
Yeah. Here, I
Huh. Here's Tops. That's it. Turn around. You want to go to the beer garden. Huh. Is it back here? Let's see what they got. I'm going through the parking lot. I don't know where it's at. Huh. I don't see no ice cream parlor. I got the post office. Let's be safe here. We're back over here now. Here's an old inn. Look at that house. Check that thing out. Wow. Huh. I don't see any ice cream places. All I see is a brewery. Laurentide Beer. Entrance and parking. So, do you want to go get the beer or forget it?
I don't want to drink and drive.
Me neither. Alright, well, let's keep going then. Skip the beer. We'll come get the beer with the car. Let's see. We got an art center, egg nest, nest egg, gift shop, Kohl's furniture, longs, cards and books and office supply. What else? I got New York Pizzeria. I don't see no ice cream place. Yeah, that's 54 up there. Here's a hardware store, Pickney's. Barber shop. There's a pub and a grill. Mustang. Tavern down there. There's a diner down there a ways. That's about it. That's about it. Here's a restaurant, a grill and tap house, laundry. This is open. Keuka restaurant. Looks like they got good food here. That looks good. People eating outside on such a nice day. There's that big pancake thing. It's a world record pancake. Unbelievable. That's the skillet that they used. Huh. Alright. Alright. You gonna head back?
Yeah.
We don't know this town that well. They got a wine bar, a bakery, wine and spirits. I don't know what this is. This is an old building. Look at this thing. Whew. No trespassing. Where's she going now? Looking for ice cream. We can't find an ice cream parlor. Go back on a trail. We'll have to find ice cream on our way home. No dice. Alright, I'm gonna go over the river here. Here we go. This is a nicer bridge than the other one. Definitely bigger. We'll go back on a bike path. So that's Penn Yan. See, here's the map. Keuka Lake Outlet Trail. Let me see. We started here in Dresden. Now we're over here. So now I gotta ride back along that river. And then here's the falls. There's one fall. Oh yeah, Seneca Falls. There was a mill there. There was a mill in Cascade too. See? Huh. 27 locks they had on here.
Huh.
They had 40 mills before the Civil War along this river. Huh. Interesting. Well, alright, we gotta go back or we're gonna get lost. Well, we won't get lost, but we gotta find an ice cream parlor somewhere. She wants ice cream. We didn't find it here. I guess I could look on my phone. But they got this nice here. Look at this. See, they got a place you can sit outside along the canal, river, what do you want to call it? Isn't that neat? Here's Burkett Mills. I think that's where we're riding our bikes up there. Hi.
Hi. It's like, that one isn't so much better than.
Here's another bridge going over the river again. See, they got it blocked off here. They only let so much water go through. See? That's why you don't see that much water on here, because they control it, what's coming down that creek. Alright, we're back on the trail again. We'll catch you later. Okay, we're getting near the end. So I'm at 13.9 miles, but we drove a little bit in town in Penn Yan. I gotta climb this mountain here. Look at this. Oh, this is tough. My bike don't like this. It made it. Barely. Man, that was a steep hill. That killed my battery some. Shoot. It's gotta recover. They'll chew up your battery going up that hill like that. Oh well. 14 miles. And it was a good ride. Really nice weather. Good scenery. We saw 2 waterfalls. Oh, here we are. Here's the Jeep. Huh. We're back. Huh. Let me stop here. Oh boy. Time for a break. Whew. 14.1. 14.1 miles I got. See, this is the sign for the trail. Here we are. We're back at Dresden. We went all the way over here. Up in here. Actually went in town a little bit. It says 7 miles. Here's one fall. Here's the other fall we saw. And this was the connection between Seneca and Keuka lakes. The Seneca Indians lived here. Huh. General John Sullivan destroyed the Iroquois villages. Isn't that nice? The village of Dresden was established in 1814. It grew because of the mills. Grist mills, distilleries, sawmills. Crooked Lake Canal opened 1833, 28 locks. Fallbrook Coal Company and Railway built on the toll path between Dresden and Penn Yan, 1884-85. 7,000 passengers the first 30 days that traveled between Penn Yan and Dresden. The line became part of the New York Central system in 1899. The tracks were abandoned after being heavily damaged by flooding in 1972. Oh, it must have been the Hurricane Agnes ruined it. See, here it is. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's what we rode on. That trolley between the two. Very nice. Okay, that's about it. They got some signs here, seating, picnic tables, and we're the last 2 people here. Kate, see ya.